What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can enable the newly added Sui network on your Phantom wallet. Also, before we get started, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to those in the description below. And now let's get started. So first off, let's go ahead and open our Phantom wallet. Now, once you open up your Phantom wallet to enable the Sui network, you would need to click on your profile icon right here in the upper left corner. And then once all of your accounts that you have linked to your Phantom wallet load up, you will click on this cog icon in the upper right corner. From here on the settings menu, you would need to go to the Active Networks tab right here. Now here you would be able to see all of the networks that you have currently activated on your Phantom wallet. So as you can see, the newly added Sui network is right here, and all you need to do to enable it on your Phantom wallet is just tick this box right here. And there we go. Now we enable the Sui network on our Phantom wallet, and let's check if we can get our Sui address. So I will just click receive right here. And here we can find our Sui address. Now this automatically added the Sui network to all of the wallets that you have connected to your Phantom wallet app. So that's guys how you can add the Sui network onto your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.